You may have seen people on YouTube cutting water heaters open just to kind of see what's inside of it and whatnot, check out the sediment. So I want to make this quick video just kind of showing you how you can do it kind of like the easiest way, in my opinion, if you want to do this to a heater that you have in your possession. As you can see, basically just drilled 2 holes caddy corner to each other. The important part is just make sure the holes are big enough to get a sawzall blade through, and you need to get through the outer tank and the inner tank. But once you have those 2 holes, you just cut 2 lines from each hole, as we do in the video, basically making an L shape. And when you make the L shape with the second hole, you're going to make your 2 lines meet up to the other 2 lines that you already cut. And now you essentially have like a rectangular or square portion of the water heater that is removed. Sometimes you can get the whole section out in one piece, or sometimes you have to pry it out in sections like Justin is doing in the video. But either way, just be careful you don't cut yourself on anything. And once you get it open, you can go ahead and look inside, see what's going on, show your customer or whatever it is you're trying to do. But again, I have to emphasize probably the most important part is making sure you have a big enough drill bit to drill through this. We actually used a concrete bit, but I wouldn't recommend that. We were just doing it out of convenience, and the bit was kind of ruined already anyway. But if you like content like this, please like and subscribe, and we appreciate you watching, and I hope you have a good rest of your day. Thanks.